Hi everybody, a lock on to goodness. Where do I begin? I haven't been here doing videos for a long time, and I thought it's just time to help spread the goodness, help spread positive thoughts, help spread gratitude in this crazy unknown time in the whole wide world. So what is a message I want to share with you? And I'm going to say, number one, I know I always talk about self-care and self-love, but the number one message I want to share with you is to focus on the goodness. Focus on the good things in your life. If you're here watching this now, if you're here watching this later, the fact is you were able to wake up and live another day. That is something to feel grateful for. You're able to breathe. That is something that's goodness, something that's positive, something that you're grateful for. Are you able to put food on the table? That is goodness, gratefulness, positive. Are you able to go outside, take in the fresh air, go for a walk, physically move your body? Are you able to feel the sunshine, feel the wind? Are you able to see the love that is in your family? So in these trying times, even though we're so overwhelmed with all the heartbreak and the fearfulness and the anxiety and with this COVID-19, instead of focusing on the negativity that is going with the COVID-19, focus on good things in your life. That is such a strong message I want to get out there to the world. And if you can help share it with me, then together we can shift things, even if it's shifting your own mindset, even if it's shifting one or two people in your circle of friends. Then that is a positive movement. That is a positive shift. And I'm not saying it can be easy to do. However, when you start taking little simple steps, it can feel more natural to do. So let's do this together. Let's spread the goodness. Let's feel the gratitude each of us have in our own life. Focus on the simple things in life, not the complicated. Focus on the simple things. Wake up each day and realize, wow, I'm living another day. I'm able to breathe. I'm able to see the world. I'm able to hear the world. I'm surrounded by love of my family, my friends. If we can do that together, you and I, as well as other people out there, then let's create together this positive shift, because the more of us feel it, the more of us do it, it's like a domino effect. The other people will feel it too. So that is what I'm sending out to you today on this Friday. Let's do it together. You and I and everybody else. Take care, everyone. Have a beautiful Friday. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching. And go ahead, share, and tag this video with someone else. Bye-bye.